So today we are going to talk about how to generate the reports in Primavera P6. Here is the example of three activities. Let me just align this program first. Uh, infra structure. Well, start date is 22nd of November and date is 22nd of November 25. I'm going to add 4 work breakdown structure mobilization. Then after mobilization, engineering. Then procurement, then construction. And then this is the work breakdowns. I'm adding work breakdowns, construction,
Okay.
right? Testing
Yes,
and
yes.
commissioning, and then handing over. So infrastructure works in city is the project name. Mobilization is the first work breakdown structure. Second one is engineering, procurement, construction, testing and commissioning, and handing over. So now I'm going to add activities in these work breakdown structure and I'm going to link it. So let me remove those activities. So this one is removed now. Okay. I'm going to start adding, I mean, for the sake of learning, I'm going to add, I'm not going to go in details, but I will just add one activity to each work breakdown structure. But as you have to detail your program you have to detail and you have to add a lot of activities, which is part of every work breakdown structure like testing and commissioning, construction, procurement, and handing over. So right now, okay, now this one is added. Let me start with the activity called mobilization. Mobilization work. And then I have engineering submissions and approvals. Engineering submissions and approvals. Then I have procurement, order, and delivery. And I have construction works. Then there is the activity called testing and commissioning. Testing and commissioning. And then the last activity is the handing over. So you know how I did it, right? It's very simple. I added work breakdown structure, then I added the activity.
Activities.
Now I'm going to add one column, which is original duration, which is called original duration. Okay, and I need one column for calendars. Calendar. This one is calendar. Okay. Now, mobilization work usually will take 30 days. Engineering maybe 3 months, 90 days. Procurement is going to take another maybe 120 days, and construction is going to take um, like 180 days. 6 3s are 18, so it means 30 days into 180 days, 6 months. Construction, testing, and commissioning again 30 days, and handing over again 15 days. So this is all I'm, just putting as a calendar days, it will be 7 working days calendar. So I'm going to link this program. I will click on the first activity and then again click on the last activity. So all of those are selected. Now I'm going to right click here and then I will click on link activities. So what it will do, the Primavera will link this mobilization to engineering as a finish to start, engineering to procurement as a finish to start, and then procurement to construction, finish to start, construction to testing and commissioning, and handing over as a finish to start. So right now we can see here, you can see here finish to start, finish to start, finish to start, finish to start, again finish that. Okay. Now I'm going to check the calendars. Calendars here in enterprise, there is a calendar option, and this calendar option is I'm going to add one calendar into project calendars. So 7 days work week. So this is my 7 days calendar to this project, 7 days calendar. Now I'm going to check and modify. I will click on modify to see this calendar. So it is okay. Starting from January, time period is 8 hours per day. Work week is 8 hours per day. So this is my 7 calendars for the whole week. Okay, and then close this one. Now I'm going to add this calendar to this particular activity. So click on project calendars, 7 days calendar, last activity, right click, pull down. And I'm going to refresh this data. So now I have applied 7 days calendar to this activity, right? I'm going to click on the start date of this project. The start date of this project, which I scheduled here, is 22nd of November 24. So I'm going to schedule this one on 22nd of November. Apply this data date to all open. So this one is open project. So start date will be 22nd of November 24. I'm going to schedule this one. So you see my end date is 1st of April 26. So I'm going to put must finish by 1st of April 26. Okay, again, now here it is,
Yes.
okay, now 22nd of November to 1st of April 2026. So this is my project, and I'm going to add one column again here as a total float. I want to see the float. So float is in durations, I believe. Yeah, total float. Calendar and total float. So now my total float is plus 30. You know why it is plus 30? Because here the finish date is 1st of March 2026. But if you
Okay.
see in the project window, it is 1st of April. So I'm going to make this one 1st of March 26. So you will see it will drop down to, once I reschedule the program, it will drop down because it is -1. Why it is -1? Because it
Minus
is
one.
1st of March. So I'm going to put there 2nd of March. Okay. Now if I reschedule the program, it will become 0. Because the project duration, you have to add 1 day more, So starting from 22nd of November, if I'm calculating 464, so I have to add in the Excel sheet +1. So that's why it becomes 0 now. So now my project, you can see it is now 0, the total float is 0. And here, if I'm going to check the Gantt chart, so let me first fix the timeline. So this is the time scale. So it is year per month. Apply and OK. So you see here, all the activities are linked, finish to start, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can see here it is in critical. So this is all coming in red color. It is coming in critical path.
Okay.
So this is how I develop a small schedule, and I'm going to share this video on YouTube channel for you to see this video again. Okay.
Okay.
One more thing is that I'm going to also show you how to generate the reports. So if you go to the extreme left side, there is
Until this step, we did the link. We link the activities.
yeah, willing the activities. Yes.
Okay.
Now the main topic was just to revise what we have done so far in a bit of how to schedule and how to generate a small timeline schedule, and also how to generate reports. So if you click here on the extreme left side, there is an option called reports, right? In the reports window, here I'm going to click on this plus sign, and I'm going to say click new report. So what is the report I need? I need activity relationship report, right? Activity relationship. Click next. Activity relationship. In columns, I will be having, it should be having predecessor ID and successor ID. So I don't need this one. Free float, no need. Critical, no need. Relationship type, driving and lag, I will put. So this group and sort by work breakdown structure. And then I don't need to add any filter. Click on next. So this is activity relationship report. Okay. Run the report. And you will see here, this is your report generated from Primavera. You can also print this one to your PDF also. But you can see your activity ID, activity predecessor ID, successor ID, relationship type, driving, and lag. Okay. So this is the meeting is only for 30 minutes. It is going to finish after 4 minutes. So I'm in a hurry. I will share this video on YouTube channel as well. But
Okay.
you go and see this video again and again, and you do what I have done in this video. Okay, especially how to generate a schedule, timeline schedule, also how to generate a report, right?
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to stop
Okay.
here. I'm going to stop here, and also you need to complete your assignment as well that I have given you. You didn't complete it.
Okay.
I will share the video link with you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.